Chandrayaan-3 was launched on the 14th of July 2023. The spacecraft entered lunar orbit on the 5th of August, and the lander touched down in the lunar South Pole region on the 23rd of August 2023 at 12:32 Coordinated Universal Time, making India the fourth country to successfully land on the Moon, and the first to do so near the lunar South Pole. Congratulating the ISRO team behind the successful Chandrayaan-3 moon mission at ISRO Telemetry, Tracking and Command Network in Bengaluru, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that the touchdown point of the Vikram lander would henceforth be known as the Shiv Shakti point. He further declared August 23, the day the Vikram lander descended on the Moon, as National Space Day. There have been 3 missions so far with a total of 2 orbiters, landers and rovers each. While the 2 orbiters were successful, the first lander and rover, which were part of the Chandrayaan-2 mission, crashed on the surface. The current Chandrayaan-3 successfully landed on the Moon on the 23rd of August 2023, making India the first nation to successfully land a spacecraft on the lunar South Pole region, and the 4th country to land on the Moon after the Soviet Union, the United States and China. On the 22nd of July 2019, ISRO launched Chandrayaan-2 on board a launch vehicle Mark III, LVM-3, launch vehicle consisting of an orbiter, a lander and a rover. The lander was scheduled to touch down on the lunar surface on the 6th of September 2019 to deploy the Pragyan rover. The lander ultimately crashed when it lost contact with Earth, ISRO, and deviated from its intended trajectory while attempting to land near the lunar South Pole. The lunar South Pole region holds particular interest for scientific exploration due to studies that show large amounts of ice there. Mountainous terrain and unpredictable lighting conditions not only protect the ice from melting, but also make landing scientific probes there a challenging undertaking. This ice could contain solid-state compounds that would normally melt under warmer conditions elsewhere on the Moon. Compounds which could provide insight into lunar, Earth, and solar system history. Ice could also be used as a source of drinking water and hydrogen for fuel and oxygen for future manned missions and outposts. The European Space Tracking Network, ESTRACK, operated by the European Space Agency, ESA, is supporting the mission. Under a new cross-support arrangement, ESA tracking support could be provided for upcoming ISRO missions such as those of India's first human spaceflight program, Gaganyaan, and the Aditya L1 solar research mission. In return, future ESA missions will receive similar support from ISRO's own tracking stations. In December 2019, ISRO requested the initial funding of the project, amounting to 75 crore rupees, $9.4 million United States dollars, out of which 60 crore rupees, $7.5 million United States dollars, would be for meeting expenditure towards machinery, equipment, and other capital expenditure, while the remaining 15 crore rupees, $1.9 million United States dollars, was sought for operating expenditure. Confirming the existence of the project, ISRO's former chairman K. Sivan stated that the estimated cost would be around 615 crore rupees, equivalent to 721 crore rupees or 90 million United States dollars in 2023. NASA chief said, "Congratulations at ISRO on your successful Chandrayaan-3 lunar South Pole landing. And congratulations to #India on being the 4th country to successfully soft land a spacecraft on the Moon. We're glad to be your partner on this mission."